channel. Now today's recipe is inspired by my parents who are in Greece right now for the summer. And when I was talking to them, all I wanted to know was, what are you guys eating? What kind of desserts are you trying? They were explaining to me about this orange mousse cake that they had, and it sounded so incredible. I just had to reinvent it. A quick and easy version, of course. And now let's get started. Alright guys, so to start these little chocolate orange mousse cakes, it couldn't be simpler. I'm starting off by preparing 1 box of chocolate cake mix. I'm going to be putting this into a rather large pan which has a parchment lining on the bottom, and this is going to bake very fast. It only takes about 10 minutes in a preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To make the outer shells to these cakes, I'm going to be melting dark and white chocolate chips in the microwave just until they're melted, and it's going to get drizzled and spread on these silicone molds, which I ordered super cheap from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. If you want a very thin shell, you can always use a pastry brush to add this chocolate, but I wanted really hard, thick shells for these cakes, so I'm taking my spoon and evenly coating it along the mold. Now once you're done, place these upside down on a cooling rack while you assemble the mousse. This couldn't be more simple. I have here 3 tablespoons of hot water, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of orange jello mix. Allow this to cool, and I have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream I'm going to be whisking until it's been fully thickened. Then I'll be adding that orange mixture and continue to whip it until it's incorporated. Once it's done, add a few spoonfuls to each mold and top it with a cutout piece of that cooled chocolate cake. Now don't forget that all the recipes and instructions are always listed down below in the description box. Allow these cakes to chill in the fridge until the jello mousse firms up a bit, which will take about an hour, and that is pretty much it. These little cakes are so delectable. They have such an array of flavors and textures. I love the crunchy exterior and the orange whipped cream, which pairs perfectly well with that moist cake. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unique recipe. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on all of my videos, which I post every other day. Thanks to everyone for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.